Hi everyone, this is Jolena from AlgosOne. We all know how sensitive the topic of financial advice really is. Neither those giving out the advice want to mislead customers, nor do the customers want to trust someone out of the blue. If done correctly, this can be a big win for both sides, but it comes with a lot of risk. Luckily, in the era of Robo-Advisors, this is changing at a very fast pace. Let's learn more about Robo-Advisors and see whether they'll replace humans or not. Don't forget to stick to the end, because we'll introduce you to AlgosOne, a relatively new AI trading bot that makes your financial journey extremely easy. Robo-Advisors are a new type of financial platform designed to simplify users' investment process. They're powered by algorithms and financial models that provide automated investment strategies that evolve depending on market conditions. As robo-advisors leverage data analytics and AI technology, they're not only highly efficient, but they're also low cost, which makes them accessible to even novice investors. Ultimately, this leads to democratizing the financial landscape in a way that hasn't existed before, because users need a good amount of capital to grow it by seeking help from a professional expert. A questionnaire is the first step in a client's financial journey with a robo-advisor. The questionnaire typically includes their long-term goals and risk tolerance. With the help of this data, robo-advisors create and manage a portfolio that's tailored to each of their clients, depending on their desired outcome. It further ensures that algorithms follow principles of diversification and modern portfolio technology, or MPT. While robo-advisors offer several advantages, they also have limitations. These include no human interaction. Since face-to-face human interaction is absent, they often fail to recognise the nuances of a person's personal financial goals. Moreover, they fail to recognise the emotional response to market volatility and aren't able to respond to it in real time. Secondly, their reliance on algorithms. Robo-advisors have sole reliance on algorithms that act as their nerve centre. These algorithms are sophisticated, but as the technology is changing at a rapid pace, it's not always possible for them to catch up. This lack of technological upkeep may result in them not being able to respond to shifting market trends or unforeseen financial events. One of the major drawbacks to robo-advisors is their lack of human touch and acknowledgement, which doesn't make them an ideal choice for many investors. Because they're not able to personalise a portfolio based on their advice, nor they're able to provide comprehensive financial planning. In addition, robo-advisors are often not transparent about where they're investing or what their risk management strategy is, which often increases the risk potential for users. Most investors take a hybrid approach with robo-advisors, which includes seeking their low-cost services and combining them with consultations from a human advisor. While this approach may reduce some upfront costs, it can often impact long-term growth. It's safe to say that robo-advisors will not replace humans. Rather, they will complement financial experts by helping them increase their portfolio success ratio. Now that we understand the limitations and benefits of robo-advisors and why humans are still needed for an optimal financial plan, let's talk about AlgosOne, because it stands out from other robo-advisors in the market by harnessing both the power of AI technology and human experience. This allows it to give the best of both worlds to its users. Here are some of the ways in which AlgosOne stands out. Transparency. AlgosOne is clear about where it's investing a user's portfolio. It holds a license to operate in the EU and abides by strict anti-money laundering laws. This ensures that users' funds aren't only secure, but are not being used for any illicit purposes. Diversification. AlgosOne knows a good portfolio combines the best of both worlds, and that is why it invests wherever it finds an opportunity, which can be in stocks, crypto, indices, bonds, forex, or even commodities. Data-driven insights. AlgosOne's powerful AI analyzes real-time divided yields, payout ratios, and company stability, ensuring only informed decisions are being made, which maximizes returns. High returns. It offers a fixed APY return of 150% on its highest tier. Anyone can access this as long as they meet the requirements of that tier. Finally, risk management. AlgosOne's algorithms are designed to minimize risk, which it achieves through continuously monitoring market conditions and adjusting the user portfolio as needed, depending on macroeconomic conditions. By opting for AlgosOne, users can enjoy consistent returns without any risk or hard work. Unlike Robo-Advisors, they do not have to answer a questionnaire or wait for years to see their capital grow, because the bot starts working immediately after knowing the user's risk tolerance. This means that they can simply sit back, relax, and let the bot do all of the hard work for them. Robo-Advisors offer an exciting option for investors who are looking for a cost-effective way to grow their capital. However, they're not suited to all types of investors. AlgosOne stands out because it uses AI technology and human experience by having financial experts monitoring trades 24/7. Want to grow your capital without any risk and with the proper guidance of financial experts? Click the link in the description below to learn more about AlgosOne and why it stands out from the crowd. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and to stay in tune with our team. Thanks for watching and bye for now.
The AI revolution is here. Don't miss out. Join now.